Let's take a look at how to delete anchor points here in Adobe Illustrator. There's two, maybe three different ways you can do this. The first two most obvious ones are with the direct selection tool and with the pen tool. So let's zoom into this star a little bit. I have an extra anchor point here. If I click on my star, I actually need to click on it with the direct selection tool to see the anchor points. So that's the white arrow. The shortcut key is A. When I have that clicked or selected, I can see all the different anchor points. So we've got anchor points here, every point of the star. We also have an extra guy right here. I could click on that anchor point and press the delete key to delete out that anchor point. Now, one thing that does is it actually splits the shape. So these are not connected anymore. This is an open path. Hard to tell, but basically that means that I could continue that path with something like the pen tool and kind of continue it on if I wanted to make any changes to this star. But if I undo that, another way to delete out an anchor point that will keep the path closed, so deleting it out with the direct selection tool kind of deletes it and breaks the path. Deleting it with the pen tool, so P for the pen tool, actually just hovering over it, you'll see the minus arrow. We delete that. And now this path is still closed. Notice how we can't continue it on. Now, when I hover over this with the pen tool, it's actually asking me to delete this anchor as well. So deleting with the direct selection tool keeps it, or opens the path, splits the path. Deleting it with the pen tool will keep the path closed and just kind of remove an anchor point. Now, if I were to delete this anchor point here, no matter if I delete it with the direct selection tool or with the pen tool, yes, the open and closed path part still matters, but also when you delete an anchor point like this, if there's a fill, Illustrator will try to fill between the next two anchor points. So you'll notice when I delete this one, since it's the only anchor point that tells this shape to kind of make this angle, it's going to actually just try to fill it in between these other two anchor points. So that kind of thing can happen when you delete anchor points here in Illustrator. Now, one last thing to try to delete out anchor points, if you have a bunch of extra anchor points, like sometimes you get these shapes and I mean, they have just like tons of anchor points out here like this, like just tons of different ones inside of the shape itself because, you know, you converted it or something happened, or maybe you're just working and you accidentally created a bunch of them. To simplify your shape, you can actually select the shape and then go up to Object and then down to, I believe it should be in Path, and then there's Simplify right here. And that opens up this little Simplify dialog, which is pretty much like an auto simplify. You can also try to remove as many points as possible, or you can tell it how many points you want added. There's a few options here where you can simplify curves, etc. But if we go back to that, click on our object, go down to Path and back to Simplify, we can see that with just the auto simplify, which is this guy right here, it actually removed any extra anchor points. Basically what it's doing is it's saying, okay, so I can tell the shape that you want to create. You have some extra anchor points in here that we don't really need to make that shape, so we can just delete those out. And it will do that for you, so you don't actually have to go through each individual anchor point. Now, you'll notice when I drop this down, so it's not auto-simplifying anymore. I'm dropping it down to the, the minimum amount of points. So 5 points. What it's doing is it's completely removing the middle point here, and it's saying, well, we're going to have to round this with some handles from these points to try to still make it look like a star shape. So there are things there that you can like round different areas if you start to simplify it a little bit too much. But I would say the auto simplify is going to do a good job at minimizing the anchor points within whatever your shape is. And that's how you can remove anchor points here in Adobe Illustrator.